Politics in Tripura has heated up ahead of the Agartala Municipal Corporation polls. TMC, which is making its debut in the civic body polls, has accused the BJP of threatening party candidates to withdraw nomination. TMC's party in charge for Tripura, Sushmita Dev, alleged that despite complaints filed before the police, no action could be seen in reality.
Trinamool Congress has given 51 candidates, despite the fact that our candidates and their proposals have been threatened, beaten, FIRs are pending, Tripura police is taking no action. But we have stood tall. We have met all the 51 candidates and told them that we will do door-to-door campaign and street corner lectures. And we have to reach out to every resident in every ward and take the agenda of development to the people of Agartala.
If that was not all, the TMC leader held the Biplab Deb government responsible for such kind of misrule.
I want to ask the Tripura police, how many arrests have you made because of this violence on the ground inside your own state, which is your responsibility and your jurisdiction? All the FIRs filed by All India Trinamool Congress of attacks on our candidates. How many arrests have you made? I have given videos of people attacking me. Tripura police has made no attacks. Neither this country nor the world believes that Tripura police is today acting without any bias. They are biased. They are puppets in the hand of Biplab Deb. The entire country knows that. It's very, very unfortunate that the Chief Minister of Tripura has actually put so much of pressure on Tripura police that it is not acting to uphold law and order. It is acting now, forcibly being made to act by the Chief Minister only to serve the BJP and its purpose.
Meanwhile, Minister in the Biplab Deb cabinet, Sushanta Chaudhary, rejected the allegations made by the TMC and said that people in the state will reject the Mamata Banerjee-led government. Chaudhary said that earlier too, the TMC had tried to make a dent in the political sphere of the state, but has failed miserably in doing so.
Trinamool Congress, they are trying to gain or make inroads in the state of Tripura, but people once again will reject them, and in the upcoming election result this will be reflected, because earlier also we have seen that Trinamool Congress tried to make a dent taking support from the cross section of people, but they have betrayed the people of Tripura, especially the anti-left people of Tripura, time and again, and that is the reason why people have brought BJP back to power in 2018 election, defeating the CPIM party. In the coming days also, BJP party will come out with flying color in the municipal election as well as in 2023 assembly elections. These people, they have termed this municipal election to be semi-final for next assembly election. And I must say that those who have miserably failed to put up their candidates in more than 70% of the seats, they have lost the semi-final. So BJP will come out with flying color.
So viewers, politics in Tripura has heated up ahead of the Agartala Municipal Corporation polls. And as you've already heard, TMC, which is making its debut in the civic body polls, has accused the BJP of threatening party candidates to withdraw nomination. And TMC's party in charge for Tripura, Sushmita Dev, alleged that despite complaints filed before the police, no action could be seen in reality.